In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor website uptime automatically with n8n schedule trigger tutorial. We're building a simple, reliable workflow that checks your websites, logs every check, updates a dashboard, and sends alerts when a site goes down or comes back up. The goal is hands-off monitoring with clear, actionable updates. We'll start by adding a schedule trigger so the workflow runs automatically every 6 hours. In the trigger, choose a recurring schedule and set it to every 6 hours. If you prefer a different cadence, you can adjust it later without changing the rest of the workflow. Next, use a Google Sheets read node to fetch the list of websites. Point it to a sheet that includes at least the URL and a column for the last known status. Reading this data up front lets us compare today's result with what we saw last time. To handle each site cleanly, drop in a split in batches node and set the batch size to 1. Connect it so each site is processed individually, and loop the output back to the split in batches until there are no items left. This avoids rate limits and keeps logs tidy. For the actual check, add an HTTP request node. Set it to GET, map the URL from the current item, enable redirects, and set a sensible timeout. We're mostly interested in the status code. Anything in the 200 to 399 range is considered up. Errors or timeouts count as down. Now add a set node to calculate the status. Here, create fields for the current timestamp, the status code, and a derived status such as UP or down. Then compare that to the site's previous status from your sheet and assign one of 4 labels: UP from up. If it's still healthy, down from down. If it remains unavailable, up from down when it has recovered, and down from up when it just went down. These labels drive the next actions. Use a switch node to route based on that label. Steady states flow through one path, while changes in state take another, so you only send alerts when something meaningful happens. Append every check to a Google Sheets log. Store the timestamp, URL, status code, and status label. This gives you a complete history for audits and trend analysis. Then update your main dashboard sheet. Use append or update. If the row already exists, update by a unique key like URL. Otherwise, append a new entry. Write the latest status, last checked time, and last code. For alerts, connect a Gmail node on the recovery and outage paths to send concise emails. Finally, add a Slack node on those same paths to post channel updates, keeping the team informed in real time. Test with a manual run, then let the schedule take over. Your uptime monitor is now fully automated.